Mobekumi, you kill me and I go. That's all.
Exactly.
Jagwa, we are coward.
Exactly. So.
Yes, I'm telling you. You don't go looking for me at the airport. Say, maybe I don't watch him. Open invite me and I'll come.
Exactly.
More fire. More fire.
Who invite me? I'll come. Afe Jakwaniye. Ani obusa se Jakwan wo ye hwan ya. You kill me and I go. That's all.
Exactly.
Jagwa, we are coward.
Exactly. So.
Yes, I'm telling you. You don't go looking for me at the airport. Say, maybe I don't watch him. Open invite me and I'll come.
Exactly.
More fire. More fire.
Who invite me? I'll come. Afe Jakwaniye. Ani obusa se Jakwan wo ye hwan ya. In 2007, a whole Ghana Armed Forces straw krata. Na papa we isa Jakwa yi. No ye a military person. Ya straw krata yi nedi.
More fire.
Na fa krata na to so ne ready a Armed Forces for krata o mu yi nedi no. Fa krata na to so ne ready ma Ghana fo nchi.
More fire.
Let her know the second. Zoom in, I mean, reading my Ghana phone. Zoom in.
More fire.
And according to Ghana forces, almost or you're criminally minded. Zoom in, you read the letter, no? Zoom in.
More fire.
So the above named officer was commissioned in the Ghana Armed Forces as a regular officer on 21st August 1998. All things being equal, the officer should have made the rank of captain on 21st August 2002 and major on 21st August 2007. He has consistently failed the Promex and now Zumi Papa now being ready now far from me. No more Ghana for any ready. The tintin let you wait tintin and say, almost why you ready baby a yako. Was it the officer describes as what the conduct just what Bobo Sia Wuntia, what did the Kana so they said on your fit to be in the Ghana Armed Forces. Jakwa. Ghana Armed Forces for Krata or Montro, yeah, on your fit. These are the words of Ghana Armed Forces. Said Japan, you're fit to be in the Ghana Armed Forces. Joma be winning a baby ya. Also reset to a minor.
More fire.
And any part the whole Ghana Armed Forces are describing it on your fit because on your discipline. Your mama co appointed as well, you're director of operations at the National Security. And will be on him Jacobiano at this point will confirm, say. Sakwaya na ko aye kanoforiata fie obu kanoforiata na eni okoya okorura ne dem no krokrotru abia ema aye majority leader be pa acho no egovi Jakwaya na ofiri kanoforiata ho no enra waduru airport air command African World Force omonfo manifest man no not just one names of people on there. No, I'm saying manifest. I'm from African World Force manifest. I'm from now on authorization, yeah. And authorization, the only time I bet me and when court of competent jurisdiction, I'm out to me so bet me a quack animal. Onibi, and on no operation. Or Koyani as was why now Umbusan say manifest don't me for mano. African World Force don't me for mano. Now, so more yet the audio money per cross channel, na why Yanania the Naja womo and you will see, and dress or woman, if I know man know him. If you know Remy. Say and run a question there. So the idea is that I make cook massy. Now make cook massy, I'm a fruit plane. A jenny may ban uncle ya swam a year pot to one I into a remy. But I can't show Japan, we are coward.
More fire.
We are coward.
More fire.
The catcher of pain.
Fire him.
Maybe should be out. Miss Macatcher, me who me semi jinaho. Me munku to get that. So also will be me.
More fire.
Nama ye bibia. Go through the due process.
Precisely.
Invite me.
Exactly.
How come?
Exactly so.
Cowards. I tell me, see this old Machiavellian tactics, wanting to instill fear. Me nobody can instill fear in me. They make be a conquer. Well, this one tears I go to court and I'll come.
Precisely.
Go to court. That's all.
More fire.
You cannot use national security now. And you airport in your concert. Onim na juma. So any more juma. Now just my kabibi. It inciting fear, causing fear and panic. Meaning the laws that governs fear and panic in the Act at 29. Criminal and Other Offences Act 1960. Section 270 near the minimum.
Fire.
And I know the element to establish a criminal, causing fear and panic.
Precisely so.
Nobody is going to intimidate anybody in this country. If you want to intimidate me, use the law.
Exactly.
Don't be doing this criminally acting, Machiavellian tactics, concert niade. Jakwa. Edi atitete. Si yekochika techi. O becheme. Ewa he.
Fire.
For me korom ani ananti. Na go funim korom dia. You can say you do some court na ye tnaso a na yes court na for me quorum na quorum ni nyina na say and ye nipa na betena so no e say ye odd number said ye be ye di wasem wia ye betimi anya eye ginaye enti we ni for me quorum dia ye nkoje no dodo no aba nya Vietnam for comment no so Vietnam ni bia mam yo and yes Vietnam ni mam dia ma mimia Ghana for no ani adia bia the haters of this program ekoso na ni bibi o ma dwe so mo ye den for the records page no be taking it down so attack na there so yenhwe we ye for the records page ho na oko for the records page ho mo hwa de bi okay so nyabotre Dani Nyabotre udru baby a reviews section one obe one 106 reviews okay now o click 106 out of 106 yenya 94% recommendation. That means 94% of the people who have commented says that the platform is a great platform. And woman who say dia no ebema Facebook abie ye reach ni mo edun no ma ye sa Vietnam for no mo akoto begu e na no video bi ne so no a free wo ntimi nto bi onti da bia ye hu Vietnam for no say said wo de Vietnam for na kote page na chi say ho no ma adwene nkoso and wo de Vietnam for na twero reviews eti ayi half area ejina ho and nakura de ba ye ne say o ma kwatwero meter rising creators opportunity recommends for the records na dani konem nchiro ma de press it na ohwe brofo na watwero na brofo tantan we de omode be ya ne say there's a link in there na omoye omo say click the link unya click esa link no a ombe hack o page no ai eti omo beto reviews no omo beto say boost your credibility, stand out and be trusted and then nkwasi abrofo say one fa nyam make everybody na yede and omo manage page you guys o madwini mu ha eti on better ho no na say click the link to get verified meaning maybe a verified page anya we na we click here na said wa ko wo mo yisu na ya take over the page emfa mo trick we emfa na kofi uyu omo free ho a edani sa ko na me hwa de afa wo mo de ayi akashim shamfushi ana wo mo de churo comment o na wo read comment ni bia dani ko na hwa de ahanti we no aka fushi o ma basisi edu he we ya edani jira ha edu o hwa ba kwa we ya ramas was it dear for the records your bots are showing maybe hire real people next time mo hwe din no a o click no a Vietnam for no bi no mo de comment ko kakra ka ho dani ko kakra ka ho omuye no mo de Arab di bi so asa comment disinformation does not work when people can think and they for themselves brofofo wo ma bonti brofo tantan no mo de kobio we Mohammed Ramzi ko suru kakra na me read Mohammed Ramzi dia no so say was it notice how your supporters sound the same. That is because they are not real. We were more the Vietnam for the church commenting. Now the omo yene say, omo the church was commenting we are. No more report here my Facebook say, me de a bot and Facebook or report mana a machine and a year a Canadian say, go through reviews to see. So mo trick we a old trick. Emfa. It is just a Facebook machine will then go to the reviews of the page and check So before some be ma chance to cross a brafo appeal to where one the Vietnam for natural bad comment on the page as a review. Now for the records, we was in Vietnam for the Vietnam for the Chioma DSA. Vietnam for instance to Aba. The margin year Germany. Yanti international platform wa they say make asama Vietnam most had Vietnam for it they say Vietnam for no must be cut to no they say Vietnam for no na say a bad comment about me show na margin year Juma nti e dey na mo hwe free me page no emblock ne emblock china mo block no kura me wo second one me dey atewa amunim adamba block no na say du ho say me yam me say e awrade dia me yam ho fire wani mu ye hare dia mu ye bia minim why e say ko mtimi ko fa nkrofo bi se atwa mu ka didi katachi atem sa mponkompo hwirita na mfui mponko mpo hwirita na mfui ana mego abura benya raje na mo boss no mo suma mo no angasa kra no mo da ase wo memani mo boss no wo da ase wo make adachi anim na obu basintele ta meko Afrifa basintele a wo ye adie bai basintele wo ye adie bai basintele me na menua no wo ye adie bai mama fa mo nse mu hunu ne mo na obu basintele ta bai basintele wo promise ana wo ye dai mo fuma wanya dom na MPP na jimi ni etimi trauma e basintele so command district na 5k men na de ye ka me ma basintele wo ka vui aboache ye ka me ma si aboache na 5,000 men na 3,000 na wo jimi wo so we e wa bre tisi street wo ya ba mu wa ma bi da onye dom mo fuma se mo tonje emponko na hwiri wo mo teta emfu yi mu ko be bi da na mnyim show to good but you can't catch him say scam alert na mo hwe din obi asa hunu bibi wo ye boss amegya mfi bono wamfa ayi na ma wamfa eye mra na bill no wamfa ma na when na no bi leak bill ni ma me say hwe bibi wo bill ni mu abranche project bill na asamegya mfi ede ba so wo de be to good no project sa bill na me ma Ghana for nhwa ade bi samegya mfi so ma bill na wo de eba yankɔ hwa ade board no wo be say ayi ni sa di number ni correct ayi kubi na wo ho no apia kubi ni nyina correct mo sande why die benya bia ye ba ko ma adumfo no die benya bia menua mo ayi fo nso mo nya careful me ba ba gigi miska tonto mo wo na me pon ya me ba gi 20,000 wo obia obetua bi for the records charities we are going to give it to them simple as ABC and D now ko fi yankɔ ne nhwɛ ade asamegya mfi atworo
no dey better board
no dey better board no hwɛ mra no zumi na manfo na ready
board master no
ade board master
se se ni sai ko boti utenesa
the oti nchubo no ono your board master any asamegya mfi board master or a board master or betiti nchubo sami coat Namos what day? We Ghanaians are very charitable, eh? The way they are sending money. Okay, like I said, we are able to declare the NBR and we will let you people know. So far, I think we've had about 10,000 coming. Yes. So I'm sure it's a message in the Quran ready. We will get more. By the time maybe we show, no, it should have a lot coming, and we're raising about 100,000 minimum. Minimum 100,000 and above. In your 200,000, in your 100,000, the Ebenya Bia, the Bacacom. Miniano Ma, a doom for Monchame. Friday, I'm with you from morning till evening. We'll be there. Kofi, you had a Samijan Fiatro. Or say, a person shall not purchase gold in the country from any person other than the gold board or a person licensed by the gold board to sell gold. Like me warn you, nenya hokra ne hu no. Samejam film say sansem funu we ya omodi abanenti no Ghana phone ton good ema omo it hwe de mra no omodi akohyem obi hwe sa mra ne 69 wo no hwe de Samejam fi achoro o say hoarding of gold tieni o ye ka hoarding na wa wo de ohudi u gold u sie no e de agya nchirima no Samejam fi say friend hoarding of gold a person shall not without lawful authority hold gold without license issued by the gold board. Samejam fio or say yana nanumu gold no mo de to nkonwa ho a mo de gya nchirima no efiri na de koso wono Samejam fia license wo mo a nipa ne ntimi mfa gold into eye akonwa ho enya nchirima Samejam fi yanka se minchiro ye ni military leadership ye ni ku na jeje Rollins akase ma ne horde milk enti o ko twa sebi wo mo ahemu ma se mfunu mu a mo nwene ansan mo ye nioma na de ba no obi di ne ho di ne gold oso oja bia manchirima wo Samejam fi ses wa amfa gold na ama wo authorize ya ontimi mfa gold into wo nya nchirima na say a person who contravenes the subsection 1 has zooming in now so ya space no the other Daniel no the space in the other Dani bibi chichi wana see a person who contravenes subsection 1 commits an offense and is liable to a summary conviction, to a fine of not less than 200,000 penalty units and not more than 500,000 penalty units, or to a term of imprisonment not less than 5 years or no more than 10 years. It's a major fisherman cancer mo say, "Why would you go to bed to where Jen Chirimano? Would you Jen Chirima? Ubet me a co jail for 10 years. Some major fisherman cancer. And yet one as answer from years or so. Samejam fi. Esukonoma. Wasim konya yen and anum go to the down. She says, and you see, I told you so more trash on Bayard Debbie. So many says, and Jim Kunyan be go to the down. Only say I can't Kunyan be go to the down. And you be making sure you be yisa go to the Bami at all. And that's what they want to do. And near Japan, a Japan deal. Difference behind him. Say Japan deal, no, but see the royalties in Aquasha baby, no control. And no put the royalties. When the actual gold, they want to control it. And no making sure somebody you go the free Kunyani now. And I am from Muticroma. I mean, the science and Fui. When you are my dinner more. Our Bram wine from when you number 2 gold one Kunyaho. When you number 2 be. Samajam Fimara was what they gold board of Huni. So I'll be gold diamond Chirimano. And your friend a hoarding of gold, and we go jail for no less than 5 years or 10 years. Samajam fi bibi jeje. I can name say bibi ham. What no board ni nyina bibi hamo. Emre hunu mratan time authoritarian law be no. Are we in a nation of authoritarianism? This is a democracy, free market economy. Anybody at all should be able to decide where they want to sell their property. Is that not what we've accepted? From the 70s coming, after the structural adjustment programs, we've all accepted. So we are moving from state-controlled market to a open market. I will be a baby. I didn't know then I buy so say world market price of gold, but I am the gold price. I'm a pen. What kind of authoritarianism is this? And we are going to sit down and allow this nonsense to prevail. MPP better now, I am from better now. World market price of gold. Nobody has the right. So to me, catch them for a man, I'm to go there from what nonsense is that? Somebody, what is this? Tell us why. Say nanano mu jago de tu oja nchirima o mo ho de go de to meko jail. And nanano mo to wo hwesa ade wi. Etoje mo a. Etoje mo a. E
ba na eyo.
Say me ka kire mo. Mo antie. Ahemfo mi so be yi to mi ni nyina afri mo ase. Say gold wa mote so na mamu ya ahemfo. Say me jam fi de hoarding ni be yi gold ni nyina afri mo ase. Now, if you already now, and I say now, much so no, pay a year the constitution, a more good year in Yamodia. What is Sukwa? Etikakakana Munyano, and whatever 2 agents, some agents via Sako Trombra, a catcher make Afrifa say, wow, by yes, I gold hoarding, a dear gentleman, I could deal for 5 to 10 years, and I am for 2 hours. I do. Media menka so, now what the Mebo Bebreme, the catcher Mupin. Mrs. Amejamfi, or see him for the gold 2 women Chilima, a friend of Horton, Wombeko jail. I rest my case.
Exactly.
And I'm a man and my boy and make a be. Ate, I phone call, Mufana and trouble until no make a be. Mufana and trouble until no make a be. Maybe Hannah make my project Mrana Chelsea can be. On can be a wide green more hand. What's I'm lying? Lying about it.
So you be cool be. Yes, so person trying to enter na fashion paper so. Na fa 2 baby. What kind?
On kind. Yon konswa kind na wa na appointed on. Oso twantro. So Samejam fi I am for me catch them. Samejam fi say muntimi nkipi gold why? Ni nyina mbeto ama state no. Eti nchiri mani ade mu ayi na nanu ja gold nyina no. E say mu na nanu nkonya no metu gold ba kokura wo. Why? They want me. Yes, yes. On be gold ni nyina and they will control the power of the nation.
More fire.
Really? Yenim said ye den sase kura ja omo a. Omo atwitwa emo omo ho. Na imagine say de Ghana gold nyina ko ja omo. E ko ja politicians. Akromfo yi. Akromfo asifo yi. Fe ni ye be hwia ya ankasa. Ni asa tran e kon so. Ya the state in sase kura ja omo a. Hwe se de omo atwitwa ton omo ho. We omo de tete yi. Ye mo omo kwan a. One more can be an number the men so. Now, you can attend for 4 hours. Why prepare near man? Who can attend to them? Now, go feet and now no near say, birthday man be Ukruma. Birthday man be. What would birthday assembly?